Okay, so we have some Christmas balloons.
Open them up.
Let's open them so we could see what they look like. We're going to inflate them with helium.
Ooh, that's easy. How many are there in here? I don't know. Let's find out.
Woohoo!
Okay.
Oh my
Wait,
gosh,
so here's the first one.
Okay, so it looks like we have an awesome little smiling snowman.
And then
So
look,
cute.
Here's the next one.
And a Christmas tree.
And that's a Christmas tree, the one you're holding, Erin. How
And
cute. It's so
then-
shiny.
And then the little...
What's that?
The reindeer.
A reindeer.
What is... Oh, candy cane!
A candy
We
cane.
did not fill this one with helium because it's not.
Oh yeah, it's really tiny. Probably
Oh,
won't
it's so cute.
float. It is really cute.
Oh, wait, we forgot one more.
Let's see what else we got.
Oh, this one's really
Whoa, that one's really big. It has some presents.
big. It says
And
Merry Christmas on it.
the giant Santa!
The biggest one of all, Santa. That is a pretty cool balloon. So we're gonna inflate these with helium to see if they float.
Wait. Hey, Jack. Maybe Jack doesn't like
Oh yeah,
The
he's
Santa is
referring
tiny
to
as
the
arms.
elf that's up here in the chandelier.
it.
Look at his tiny arms.
And he has candy canes on top, like
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
So these
He
two
has
are the
4.
biggest ones.
Wait,
So which one should we do first, Erin?
we should do the reindeer.
The reindeer. All right.
But Aaron's right, it probably won't float.
Well, we should try, see what happens.
Okay.
They're super tiny.
Good, good.
Look at the feet. Oh, how adorable. Yeah, that's not gonna float.
Ah,
Oh, it stands up. Perfect.
wait. I'm gonna make him stand up again.
Oh, I bet if it had air, it wouldn't stand up. He's
No,
so
I think it
cute.
only stands up because the feet, the feet are like
Oh,
triangle.
well. Well, it wasn't that much helium, so that's good.
I
So-
want to do the candy cane next.
The candy cane is next.
Oh, wait, you shouldn't feel it. Maybe it will float like this way.
Yeah.
It's pretty tiny. It's pretty. Just a little bit. Like, right?
Yep. Let's go.
Whoa! Oh!
It's hot.
Oh no! You popped it!
What the heck?
You've been naughty.
Oh no.
What are we gonna do?
Oh well. What are we gonna do?
We have 10 other balloons.
This is where it popped. It ripped.
Like the air shot straight out.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. I know what we can fix it.
What's it?
Tape!
Nah, we're not gonna fix it. It's ripped almost all the way in half.
Well, we could try later.
It's okay. These don't really float anyway. All right. Up next is the Christmas tree.
Let's see.
The wish you one Merry Christmas! The wish you one Merry Christmas! The wish you one Merry Christmas! And a happy new year! Until that ends, wish you one Merry Christmas and a happy new year! All the time and be free and two, three.
There it is.
I don't like-
Oh! Ah! That one did float.
I'm not on a candy cane.
Oh no!
Not too sure.
She got it. She got it. We just got to put a string on it and just tape it down.
Ah!
So far, so good. Well, except for the candy cane.
Frosty the Snowman! The jolly has begun!
Happy soul.
So,
What was that?
What happened?
Oh.
It's not filling up.
Oh, it's popped from the arm? Or is it black there?
It's black there.
What do you mean it's not filling up? Yeah, it is.
maybe I should look by yourself.
It is filling up. Why do you think it's not filling up?
I thought it wasn't.
It was probably just the something in the nozzle that popped.
Let's see.
Whoa, here he is.
No, the air's coming out.
All right, so here is our happy little snowman. So the bad news is that he does not float. He's kind of heavy.
Wait.
And we just tied him. What happened is the seal, the auto seal broke, so we just twisted it and tied him with, you know, the string so he can stay intact. But he's great. He just doesn't float.
Oh, look. There's a
Oh,
circle.
cute. Let's blow that one up. That one should float. Oh, I love the color, the green.
Wait.
Oh, the snowman that has like little eyelashes.
Does
too.
it float, Aaron?
Barely.
Whoa, here is our balloon and it does float. It's
A little
so
bit
cute.
slow, but it does float.
We should do the presents.
The present is next.
It's probably gonna take up like all the helium.
Maybe it's not as big as it seems.
But probably this one is gonna float because it's big.
Hopefully.
It's losing.
There it is.
There.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, nice. Put it up the right way because it's upside down. It's like supposed to be like this. floating
Yeah.
Tall. Cool.
So does it float, Aaron?
Nope.
Oh, womp womp.
Oh,
Oh!
I don't even know if we're gonna have enough helium for this guy.
It'll be fine. It'll be fine. All right, Santa. What do you think, Aaron? You think it's gonna float?
No way, Jose! No way, Jose!
Running out of air.
All right, so we had to bring out tank number 2 because we ran out of helium on that other one.
All right.
There it goes. There he is! Santa!
Cute.
Does he float? Woo, he just
Yeah.
flips. Oh,
He's standing on the ceiling.
he's on the ceiling.
He's standing on the ceiling.
I could grab him. Wait. I got him.
Oh, Santa's upside down.
Wait, I will get him in the chair.
Wait, no, you're gonna fall.
Santa's upside down.
Here, can I get that guy over again, okay?
They're balanced.
There we go.
There he is. Santa Claus.
Ho, ho, ho.
Ho, ho, ho. The biggest balloon that actually floats. All right, so
It's weird. He wants to float.
he wants to
Okay.
float upside down because the bottom is bigger than the head. That's why. Oh, no, we lost the other one too. Well, let us know which one of these balloons is y'all's favorite. Aaron, which one's your favorite?
All of them.
All of them.
I like the Christmas tree.
And you like the Christmas tree. I like the
And you
Santa.
like- you-
This guy looks like he's losing some air. So I guess he is kind of popped. But thank you guys so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.